Teams use Ganttic for different reasons. Some need visibility into availability and capacity. Some care most about project deliverability and deadlines. Others need a lightweight way to schedule incoming tasks. In this video, we will walk you through the key features that support all these needs. But no matter how you plan, your first step in Ganttic is always the same. Everything starts with a resource. A resource is anything you want to schedule. It can be a person, a piece of equipment, a room, or any asset that has availability and capacity. Together with tasks and projects, resources form the three core pillars of Ganttic. These are the building blocks you use to create structured workflows. Step 1. Create a resource. After logging in, click the plus icon in the left-hand menu and select Resources. Add your resource and name it. You can also add custom information using data fields. Then click Save. If you have a long list of resources, you can upload them via CSV by clicking plus and selecting Import. Once your resources are in place, you are ready to schedule work. Step 2. Create tasks on the timeline. Now that you have created a resource, you can start creating tasks. Simply drag and drop directly on the resource's timeline. Name the task, fill in the relevant data, and save. As you are creating a task, if you click the plus sign right next to another resource on the timeline, that resource will be assigned to the same task as well. Step 3. Add tasks to projects. In Ganttic, projects are containers for tasks. Once you create a task, you will see the project section inside the task window. Click Add New Project. Give it a name and a color, and save. If you want to add an existing task to a project later, simply select the task on the timeline and assign it to the relevant project from the Project field. What if your tasks are postponed or timelines shift? You can easily drag and drop them to a new date or adjust their duration directly on the timeline. Now, you're fully set. You can create a project from a different pathway and see your projects from different angles on Ganttic. First, click plus in the left-hand menu and create a project. Select Time Range and drag across the timeline to create a task. Name your task and click Save. You can create as many tasks as you need directly on the timeline without first assigning them to a resource. Give them a name and link them to a project. When you switch to the Resource view, you will see your unassigned task at the top. Based on your workflow and team availability, simply drag them to assign them to a resource. Here, you can add tasks and assign them to your resources. To adjust your timeline view to days, weeks, or months, click the calendar navigation at the top. Whether you focus on capacity task level scheduling or full project deliverability, the goal stays the same. Make work visible, keep plans realistic, and adjust and make better decisions. Ganttic, operational clarity for smarter decisions.